Are you tired of your phone lagging in the middle of intense PUBG mobile matches? With so many options on the market, finding the perfect phone for gaming can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But fear not, we've done the hard work for you. After rigorous testing and research, we've curated a list of the top 5 phones tailor-made for dominating PUBG Mobile. From lightning-fast processors to stunning graphics, we've handpicked only the best. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now, let's get started. Number 5. OnePlus 12R. The OnePlus 12R stands out as an excellent choice for mobile gamers, particularly those who enjoy playing PUBG Mobile. Its 1500 superfluid AMOLED display featuring 4th Gen LTPO technology offers a dynamic refresh rate that adjusts from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, ensuring smooth and responsive gameplay that adapts to your actions in real time. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and up to 16 GB of RAM, the OnePlus 12R delivers robust performance, allowing PUBG Mobile to run seamlessly, even at high settings. This ensures quick load times and minimal lag, providing a competitive edge in fast-paced gaming scenarios. One of the key features that enhances the gaming experience is the dual Cryo Velocity VC cooling system. This advanced cooling technology improves heat dissipation, maintaining optimal performance and preventing overheating during extended gaming sessions. Whether you're in an intense battle or exploring vast maps, the OnePlus 12R remains cool and efficient. The Trinity engine further optimizes the device's performance, with technologies like HyperTouch, HyperBoost, and HyperRendering, enhancing touch response and graphics rendering. This suite of features ensures that every swipe, tap, and action in PUBG Mobile is executed with precision and speed, giving you an edge over competitors. Additionally, the massive 5500 mAh battery, supported by the 80-watt SuperVOOC charger, ensures long gaming sessions without frequent interruptions for charging. The battery life is designed to last, allowing you to focus on your gameplay rather than battery levels. The OnePlus 12R also features a vibrant and large 6.78-inch display, providing an immersive viewing experience that makes every detail in PUBG Mobile pop. All in all, with its combination of high-performance specs, advanced cooling, and optimized gaming features, the OnePlus 12R is an ideal smartphone for avid PUBG Mobile players looking to enhance their gaming experience. Number 4. REDMAGIC 9 Pro. Next up is REDMAGIC 9 Pro with the 6.8-inch FHD plus full AMOLED screen is exceptionally well suited for playing PUBG Mobile, thanks to its high-performance specifications and gaming-focused features. The display boasts a 120 Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 2480 by 1116 pixels, delivering stunning HD plus visuals and ensuring smooth gameplay at up to 120 frames per second. This is crucial for fast-paced games like PUBG Mobile, where quick reactions and a clear view of the action can make all the difference. The 960 Hz touch sampling rate provides ultra-fast touch responses, allowing for precise control and quick actions, giving players a competitive edge in intense gaming situations. The under-display fingerprint sensor and the 16-megapixel under-display camera contribute to a seamless, uninterrupted screen experience, enhancing immersion during gameplay. Equipped with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, the phone offers powerful performance with a CPU clock speed of nearly 3.2 GHz. This ensures that PUBG Mobile runs smoothly, even at high settings. The 12GB RAM and 256GB ROM provide ample storage for the game and its updates, along with other applications, ensuring that the device remains responsive and lag-free. The multi-dimensional cooling system, featuring aerospace-grade phase-change materials and a high-speed built-in turbofan, effectively manages heat during prolonged gaming sessions and prevents the device from overheating. The 6500 mAh battery, combined with an 80-watt GAN charger, ensures long-lasting playtime and quick recharges, so you can get back to gaming faster. Overall, REDMAGIC 9 Pro is an excellent choice for PUBG Mobile enthusiasts seeking high performance and an immersive gaming experience. Number 3. iPhone 15 Pro Max. In number 3, we have the iPhone 15 Pro Max, an excellent choice for playing PUBG Mobile, thanks to its high-performance features and robust design. The 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology offers smooth and vibrant visuals, crucial for an immersive gaming experience. The always-on display ensures you never miss important updates during intense gaming sessions. Powered by the A17 Pro chip with a 6-core GPU, the iPhone 15 Pro Max delivers outstanding processing power and graphics performance, allowing PUBG Mobile to run smoothly smoothly without lag. The device's impressive battery life, offering up to 29 hours of video playback, ensures extended gaming sessions without frequent recharging. The titanium frame and textured matte glass back not only add a premium feel, but also ensure a firm grip, which is essential during intense gaming sessions. Connectivity is another strong suit of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, with USB-C support for USB 3, offering up to 20 times faster data transfers. Downloading game updates and transferring game data is quick and efficient. Face ID provides secure and fast access to your device, so you can jump back into the game swiftly. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is offered with storage options up to 1 terabyte, ensuring ample space for all your gaming needs and more. Overall, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, with its powerful A17 Pro chip, expansive display, and long battery life, stands out as a top-tier option for PUBG mobile enthusiasts. Number 2. Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro. The ROG Phone 8 combines sleek and minimalistic design with customizable Aura RGB lighting for a personalized touch. This phone is an excellent choice for playing PUBG Mobile thanks to its powerful 3.3 GHz Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, which ensure seamless performance and smooth gameplay. Its ultra-slim 0.35-inch profile, lightweight build, and thin bezels enhance portability, making it easy to carry for gaming on the go. The IP68 certification adds durability for everyday use. For PUBG mobile players, the built-in air trigger controls provide a console-like experience with gestures such as dual action, press, and lift, and gyroscope aiming. This setup allows for more precise control, critical for competitive gaming. Additional accessories like the Aeroactive Cooler X or the ROG Tesson mobile controller can be purchased separately to enhance gameplay precision. The ROG Phone 8's AI-enhanced software features, including XSense 2.0, help identify crucial in-game events and streamline item collection and conversation management, while X-Capture records your pivotal moments in PUBG Mobile. The device's thermal performance is optimized with a best-in-class thermal design and X mode, allowing it to sustain peak performance during extended gaming sessions. The 6.78-inch AMOLED display offers a smooth 165 Hz refresh rate and 2500 nits brightness, ensuring clear and responsive visuals, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. With 65-watt hypercharge technology, the ROG Phone 8's 5500 mAh battery fully charges in just 39 minutes, offering up to 2 days of uninterrupted gaming and 15-watt wireless charging support. On the whole, the ROG Phone 8 excels for PUBG Mobile, combining sleek design, a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, advanced gaming controls, and top-tier thermal performance with rapid 65-watt charging. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is particularly impressive for mobile gaming, especially for games like PUBG Mobile. Its powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor ensures seamless and lag-free gaming, allowing you to jump between apps without any wait time. The 6.8-inch bright, flat screen enhances your visual experience, offering edge-to-edge clarity and vibrant colors, crucial for spotting enemies and navigating the game's detailed environments. The phone's 12 GB RAM further boosts performance, providing a smooth, responsive experience even during intense gameplay. Fast charging and a robust 5000 mAh battery ensure that you can play for extended periods without interruption. Additionally, the phone's advanced cooling system helps maintain optimal performance during long gaming sessions. With 5G connectivity, you can enjoy faster and more reliable online gameplay, reducing latency and ensuring a competitive edge. The precise touch response and high refresh rate of the display make controlling your in-game character more intuitive and accurate, crucial for fast-paced games like PUBG Mobile. Moreover, the S24 Ultra's powerful audio system, including USB-C for wired headsets, provides immersive sound quality, allowing you to hear in-game details like footsteps and gunshots with clarity. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's advanced hardware, superior display, long battery life, and fast connectivity make it an ideal choice for PUBG Mobile enthusiasts, ensuring an immersive and competitive gaming experience. In conclusion, the quest for the ultimate gaming phone for PUBG Mobile enthusiasts ends with our top picks of 2024. From the lightning-fast OnePlus 12R to the immersive Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, each device offers a unique blend of powerful processors, stunning displays, and innovative cooling systems to enhance your gaming experience. Whether you prioritize performance, battery life, or connectivity, our curated list has something for every gamer. So level up your gameplay and dominate the competition with these top-tier smartphones designed to take your PUBG Mobile experience to new heights.